teacher.
How are you today?
I am happy.
Okay, we're going to have our speaking test.
Yes.
And let's start with part one. So you're going to tell me the difference between picture one and picture two.
Picture one is but bigger.
Mhm.
Picture two is uh,
Tractor.
tractor. Picture one about it red.
Mhm.
Picture two is tractor is yellow.
Okay, correct.
The picture one is cinema in a hospital.
Okay, in front.
In front is a hospital.
Back.
Picture two is bus station. In
Front.
front is the hospital.
Okay, next.
The picture one is
Mhm.
the circuit.
Circus.
Circuit is uh,
Next to.
next to cinema.
Okay.
The picture two is
Ferris wheel.
very views is the
Next to.
next to is bus station.
Okay, correct. Okay, now let's have the next part. Okay, you're going to tell me the one that is different. Okay, in set one, which one is different?
Yes.
It's
Scarf
okay. And what do you call this one?
is
Pas pasta.
pasta, cheese,
And
salad.
okay, they are.
Uh,
Are they food?
yes.
Yes. Okay, next number two. It's
Penguin.
penguin. Okay, what is a penguin? And
An animal.
okay, and what part is this? Shoulder,
Shoulder,
back,
back,
and neck.
neck,
Okay, next number three. It's
tongue,
okay, and this is
farm,
this one
cook,
and see singer.
singer,
Okay, number four,
is a doctor,
a doctor. And what do you call this one?
forest,
And
lake,
and
beach.
beach. Okay, thank you, Oliver. That ends our test.
Thank you.